pilot training, which is usually 5 hours, before proceeding to the basic phase and then one day doing pilot training. Pilot training is the first day, which is an education from the Kenya Navy. I'm a student pilot at Aviation Center Netherlands, currently on the basic phase. We are assisted by Second Lieutenant Ibrahim from the Kenya Navy. So, the aircraft before it is Global 2023, it was manufactured by Global Aircraft Company 1 and commissioned in 2015 years. It has a cruising speed of 172 knots, equivalent to 350 kilometers per hour, with an endurance of 5 hours. This aircraft is powered by a turboprop engine with an output of 450 horsepower. It has a glass cockpit filled with an autopilot system, an oxygen cylinder to enable pilot flight at high altitude, and wheelers at the engine is that. In conjunction with this aircraft, we have a flight simulator, which is an exact replica of this aircraft. The flight simulator meets pilots in practicing different flight scenarios, and they must However, currently using this aircraft can put a speed of up to 40 knots. So this aircraft has had points under the wing surface, which can be fitted with aircraft guns, rocket boats, or even bombs. But currently, it is fitted with smoke generators that we use for smoke display during air shows, bypass and display. For instance, the upcoming journey that we are preparing. So unlike the broad aircraft that is just built, where the instructor and the student sit side by side, this is a tandem cockpit, where the front cockpit is for the student and the rear cockpit is for the instructor. The front cockpit is a replica of the rear cockpit. However, the instructor has overriding capabilities in the rear cockpit. So just like a fighter aircraft, it is also fitted with jetons. This enables the pilots to be able to escape from the aircraft in case they get an emergency and are unable to land the aircraft safely. So that marks the end of it. And I have to instructor will be able to detect from behind and get anything that the student can do.